Thanks for checking out this video today. On this video, I'm excited to replace my side factory vents with turn signals. The turn signals I purchased are by XK Glow, and I got this kit off Amazon for $1.99. This kit in particular comes with the turn signals, but it also has a glowing ring you can see in the photo there. And that glowing ring connects to your phone and gives you the ability to customize a color to whatever you want. It says there's 16 million different color combinations, which is great for people who have accent colors like mine and something unique. There's a high chance I'm gonna find the color I need. If I don't find it, I'll end up going with white. This kit here comes with the 2 turn signals, the wiring harness, the Bluetooth adapter or device harness or connecting piece, whatever you want to call it. And then it comes with all the wiring. It does have a switch integrated into it, so you can turn it on and off if you don't like the glowing effect. But it has everything you need in the kit. In this video, I'm going to install this kit, show you how I did it, all the steps I took, show you some of the tips I did, some of the things I ran into, and give you a good understanding of what it takes to install this kit. And then once I got it installed, I'm obviously going to show you the functions, how it works, how it looks, and just my overall opinion of the product. So I think let's just dive into the install and let's see how it goes.
First, you need to locate and remove all 10mm bolts from the underside of the fender. Once all bolts have been removed, you can then carefully start pulling on the fender to release it from the Jeep. If you have never removed the fender before, you will need to use some force and will most likely break some of the mounting clips. Once the fender is released, set it on the tire as the turn signal wiring is still connected, so it cannot fully be removed from the Jeep. Next, using a pry tool, remove the stock plastic vent. Using the quick tap connectors, follow the instructions and connect the taps to the appropriate wires. The taps can be installed by simply placing the wire inside the tap and pressing closed with a pair of pliers. As space is limited on the wiring harness, the taps can be connected on either side of the plug. Once all taps are in place, the next step is to attach the connectors to the ends of the wires on the new lights. Next, fish the wires through the opening and temporarily set the light in place. Then attach the connectors to the taps and test the function of the lights to confirm they are operating fully before finishing the install. Once everything is working correctly, secure the light in place by removing the backing from the 3M tape and pressing the light into position. Next, secure the wires in place to prevent any damage. Before reinstalling the fender, we need to fish the wire through the engine bay to wherever you will be locating the Bluetooth module for the glow lights. Now we can reinstall the fender and repeat the process on the other side of the vehicle. Once the lights are installed on both sides, we can then start connecting the glow lights to the Bluetooth module. Once both lights are connected, it is now time to connect the Bluetooth module to the battery.
So you can see behind me, the light is up and running. The install is very easy to do. I recommend following instructions fully. When I was doing my install, I tried to be clever and run it to my my running light. The reason I thought this would be a good idea was it would give me the ability to know that the lights were on when the vehicle was off, and that they could also turn on and off with the headlights. This didn't work. There was too much draw on the fender. Something didn't work, so I had to go back and run it to the battery. I recommend following the instructions and going to the battery. And mostly because as I was going through the app, I realized the app has a really good feature. In the app, whenever your device is outside the range of the Bluetooth for over 5 minutes, the light will turn itself off. So this gives you the insurance to know that the light's off and it's not going to drain your battery. So I'm glad they put that feature in, and definitely happy that functions. From the montage video that I put together, you can see all the different colors and flashing patterns and lots of different things you can do with this. So the light, you can have whatever color you want, whatever you like. If you want disco, you can have disco. So there is some default patterns too that you can just quickly turn on with the Bluetooth device, but the phone definitely gives you the 6 million different options. So right now I'm running the neon yellow, which goes with my neon yellow theme. So I'm very happy with it. Look forward to seeing how it turns out. So far the product's quality, function, install, everything was great. So I definitely recommend this product if you're looking for something different. At this point I'm going to close this video out. So if you don't mind, please like and subscribe to this video. If you have any comments, please put them below and I will answer them as soon as I can. If you have any questions, I can definitely answer those as well. So whatever you need, please feel free to contact me. I got a few more videos coming our way. So at this point, I'll see you guys on the next video.